guys, today we are going to be painting giant cupcakes for Ashlynn and Emily's birthday party. I am super excited because I just really want to have huge cupcake decorations. I think it's going to be so fun. I love the idea of having giant cupcakes for decorations, and I was like looking around, couldn't find them anywhere, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna paint some. So my husband and I, my family, we decided to make vision boards together. My husband and I and my 14-year-old son were all putting our dreams and goals and things that motivate us on poster boards. So we were getting poster board, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make those giant cupcakes. I am going to make them on this poster board. So I'm gonna use Sharpie and my daughter's watercolors, and I'm going to make some really cute little cupcake decorations. So I am going to show you how to do it, and I hope it inspires you to make some beautiful cupcake decorations for your kids, your party, whatever, or just for fun because they're so cute. I'm like, oh, I love having kids because it gives me an opportunity to do all the cute stuff that I love to do anyways, but it's just that extra motivation to do fun things. So I love having my kids. They're awesome and we get to do so much fun stuff together. It's so cool. So my two daughters, they are turning 4 and 1. I'm super excited because it's my 4-year-old's first real birthday party with other kids. So I'm going a little overboard, but I can't help it because she's so excited. She knows what her birthday is now, and it's just making me super excited. So I can't wait to do some fun stuff. And I'm like, cupcakes, decorations, let's go to Goodwill and try to find some cute stuff. I went on Amazon, I went on Goodwill, and I've just tried to be pretty inexpensive about it, but also make it really cool. So I think I did a good job balancing new and used items to make an amazing party and some handmade stuff. So that's what you're gonna see today is my handmade poster board, watercolor, amazing cupcakes that will be the best cupcakes you've ever seen. Thanks for watching the cupcake tutorial. It was super fun to do, and I hope it inspires you to make some giant cupcakes of your own. If you like the video, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you guys soon.